So what's up, everybody? I just picked up this sweet old Lincoln SAE 400 welder. It's got a 253, I think, maybe a 271, I haven't verified yet. Detroit diesel in it. And probably most of you don't know yet, but I'm a huge fan of Detroit diesels. So I saw this thing come up at the local auction and put a bid in on it, and couldn't believe that I ended up getting it. So we drug it home today. I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up for you because it's pretty awesome. Thing is pretty cool, man. Big old blow. 110 hour does not make a power. I did not check the electrodes. Thing is pretty wild. Got a block heater on it. Pretty cool. Make good use of that somewhere.